Hey, thanks for stopping by and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You've landed on the Digital Micro Trading Journal. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. We're going to go price action, order flow for Tuesday, April 4th, 2023. Sharpening the edge is what it's all about for me this week. Light volume trades and just trying to get precision on my trade ideas. So we've still got the MES spooling up. Let's get right to the charts. April 4th, 2023, 24-hour chart. Here we are, right here, Tuesday, vacation week for a lot of people. And that means light trading, and price can really keep on expanding on low volume, and that's exactly what it's doing. Here's Friday's candle, Monday's candle, Tuesday Globex, and we're set here before the RTH open. Notice I've and annotated 4153.50. That's the previous close print. So we're going to be above that, which means we're going to have an open range gap. And below that, we had Monday's RTH open, and below that Friday down here. So we've got a new week open gap here in the cyan color and this yellow big Friday that created a fair value gap. So yeah, it's been gap and go on the up, and basically if we're going to go that up, maybe I just sit out the RTH with no new positions and wait till the afternoon, which I hate the afternoon, but it's good to sharpen the sword, right? So that's what I'm using these 3 days of trade on. Then not forgetting Friday is the non-farm payroll. So let's go to the 60-minute. So here we are on the 60-minute, and you can see most of the Asia Globex was totally in a consolidation zone. And what I did was I marked this fair value gap because it was basically inversion. We never had a body of the candle after the close on Monday. There's no candle body that violated this fair value gap. And then we broke out here with this candle, huge BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, created a new imbalance zone, and we hit a high already of 71.75. It looks like this thing's wants 41.85, 41.95, and it's going to do it in short order this week. So the algos are still signaling bullish. I'm not doing any buys, and I'm just trying to keep it super light and just, again, sharpen the edge. But that's the 60-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute. This is my video journal moment of this video where, again, I've previously identified in the larger time frame this inverted fair value gap. I've shaded it in green. I take roughly the halfway point, a little bit more, which I've got at 51.50, and I look at where the equilibrium point is from the swing high up here, and that is 41.71.50 so far. So the mid right here would be between these 2 points, 41.6175, call it 62. So that's my target, that we do some kind of reversion in the RTH. It could happen in the AM, it could happen in the afternoon, but that's what I'm looking for. Okay, let's finish this with the Renko. Here we are on the Renko. We've just touched and pierced this upper blue Keltner in Globex, deep into Europe Globex, and there's nothing bearish about this at all. Everything's green on the HAMA since the very start of this Globex session. Everything is pointed up, and you've got no algos on sell signal at all. On top of that, the delta on the cells are very low. So this last low was a minus 25, and we had this little green dot. So again, it means it's being bought. That level of 62 that I just mentioned on the retracement comes in right here, and that's right now currently just still above the HAMA level right here, which is right now at 58.50. So pivot's way down here at 44.25, and the day one volume weighted average price coming in at just under 58 at 57 and a quarter. So that's a wrap. We're going to watch how we do this vacation week trading. Take care. Aloha.